Hey, it's Sandy Nayak here. Are you struggling to grow your online business and get the freedom of time and money that you deserve? Are you sick and tired of paying heavy monthly fees to online meeting solution providers like Zoom, GoToMeeting, and Webinar Jam to run your online meeting and video conference? If so, then this video is the most important video that you will watch today. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can get a consistent flow of qualified leads and sales for your business like clockwork without lifting a finger. And the best part is, the system is so simple and powerful that it works 24/7 on autopilot. Ask any internet marketer or online business owner what's the best way to sell online, and they will say it's webinars. Especially now with COVID-19, people are afraid to meet face-to-face, and this has forced sales meetings to move to a virtual environment. So, this is the only way to sell. If you sell anything online as a marketer, business owner, or a lifestyle entrepreneur, webinars is the solution. Once again, I'm Sandy Nayak. I'm a six-figure marketer with 8+ years experience online as a product creator and super affiliate. Today, I want to introduce you to MeetWebby, the awesome new software I created along with my partner, Kundan Chowdhury, who like me has 6 figures under his belt creating next-generation software for internet businesses. MeetWebby is an all-in-one powerful webinar solution that lets you run, live, and automate live-like webinars in a few minutes that will skyrocket your customer engagement, sales, and profits for a low one-time investment. How are we confident that it works? Because you won't be the first one to try it. We have helped hundreds and hundreds of clients to scale and automate their businesses using webinars. It doesn't matter if you're an internet marketer, business coach, an electrician, kitchen remodeler, landscaper, or any of the other service-based businesses. MeetWebby works like a charm to dramatically boost your customer engagement, sales, and revenue for a low one-time fee. Today, over 450+ businesses have shifted to MeetWebby, and that number is rapidly growing every day. So, why are people rushing to MeetWebby? A bunch of reasons. The current webinar software out there are hard to use, outdated, clunky, and not to mention the high monthly fees. The bottom line is, no matter what your business is, you need a webinar software in your business that does it faster, easier, no dealing with complex interface, eliminates all your roadblocks in the past to make easy conversions and profits with webinars without paying any monthly fees. That's the very reason we created MeetWebby. MeetWebby is the first all-in-one webinar software that will help you create high-converting webinars in just a few clicks with a low one-time cost. Now, be the first to host interactive webinars, online trainings, podcasts, meetings, conferences, using live chat, real-time messaging and file sharing, polls, voting, pre-recorded video streaming, questions and answers. All this and more for a low one-time fee. You pay only once and enjoy this next-generation webinar software for the next 99 years. In just 3 steps, you will be on your way to create profitable webinars with MeetWebby. Step 1. Get access to the next-generation upgrade to video meetings at a lowest one-time cost ever. Step 2. In just a single click, generate your unique webinar link, live or pre-recorded, live conference or online meeting. Step 3. Engage, interact, and convert your audience into paying customers. MeetWebby is a perfect fit for your business if you would like to leverage the awesome power of conferences, live classes, webinars, trainings, video chats, meetings, and podcasts in your business. You want to survive in this new age digital world using the awesome power of webinars. You don't want to chase away your audience due to poor mic or audio quality. You are looking to retain profits and avoid hefty monthly costs. Plus, our superior end-to-end encryption technology ensures that the data is exchanged only between you and the desired recipient. This is a true win-win situation, but only available till the timer on the page hits 0. Finally, you can see game-changing results with your online business. MeetWebby will run live-like interactive automated webinars on your behalf 24/7 and get the results for your business day after day. So, with that being said, get access to MeetWebby before the price increases. The timer on the page should let you know when the next price increase happens. But wait, we're not done yet. If you grab your copy of MeetWebby during this launch offer, you will get access to commercial license of MeetWebby and other premium bonuses mentioned at the bottom of this page for a one-time cost. And, of course, you are covered by our no questions asked, ironclad money-back guarantee, where you can test drive this bad boy for 30 days for free. Just ask for your money back and we will send it back to your source account. So, get started right away. Click the buy button below to get access to your MeetWebby copy, which is the fastest and the most preferred webinar platform for business owners and marketers like you for a low one-time fee. We will see you on the inside.